So my name is Yalini and I attended the WAVE workshop. A few things I really enjoyed here were not only the games but the life lessons and overall understanding of community and things that you should really treasure. For example, we learned about the difference between expression and impression. We also learned about how whenever you're a part of a team, there is no solo act. So if you're late, they're all late. And I also learned that there are more than one ways to memorize things. Like practicing it is important, but you can also find shortcuts using things that stick in your head. Like, for example, what you remember as soon as you think of a word. That's what guarantees that it will stick. Another important thing was we learned about how nothing is impossible, and when you're working together with the team, then you can do anything.